things to invent and patent. Most inexperienced people feel that if they invent something, they are able to get a patent almost immediately. And they also think they can make thousands of pounds or dollars very quickly, either by selling the patent on a royalty basis or by selling the patent itself. Now, there is a danger in placing too much reliance on attaching too much importance to a patent until it has been tested and gone through the courts to be patent officially. This is why when taking out a patent, you should go to a well-known person who is experienced, from a lawyer to a patent attorney, and stay clear of people who try to get you on board for the cheapest amount of money, because these type of people tend to just drop contracts that will have no weight to it when it comes down further in line. So it is better to find a well-known patent attorney, and the price might be a little bit higher, but it's going to be more beneficial for you in the future. And they are more likely to be honest with you about your invention, if it's going to work, if it's going to be patented, or what you need to change or do to make it paintable. And they can either help you with marketing themselves or refer you to someone else who can market the product or patent for you. Now, the principle of steam engines, as everybody knows, was discovered by James Watt, who gave the idea watching the lid of a tea kettle jump up and down. And then he suggested the existence of power in steam. And he set up about his ways of figuring out how to harness the power of steam. And out of that invention came out present industrial systems which the train use. Also, Benjamin Franklin was not an electrician, but he invented the lightning rod. And even the Kodak company paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to the man who invented a device which enabled you to write on the back of the film exposed. And even the brake on a baby carriage was not invented, as you might suppose, by a carriage manufacturer, but it was invented by an advertising man in search of an exclusive feature to advertise. So do not feel that just because you do not have the ideas to invent something new or a particular product that you can't find ways to improve existing products. A person who is using things often is the one to make an improvement, rather than the person who makes it. And the maker is eager to pay the person who could help to improve the product by paying them a lump sum of cash for the patent or royalties for improving the appliances and things that you can use on a daily basis. So the items that are used on a daily basis are the easiest and most practical ways of making money from patents. And it is not much of a trick to earn $1,000 from a large manufacturer for a worthwhile improvement which you developed in patent. So anything that you can improve that you use on a daily basis, you can contact the manufacturers and then show them the improvement, which you need to get patent first before you approach the manufacturers. And the best way to make money on invention is to improve it. It could be a product or a service. For example, the toothpaste. The tube was an improvement over the Shift top cap, just as the top cap was improvement over the can of soap which was used previously. So even daily basic products can be improved, can be patented, and you can make money from patents too.